Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update your Synchrony bank account verification, detailed guide step by step clearly. To update your Synchrony bank account verification, begin by visiting the official Synchrony website. Log into your account using your username and password. If you have forgotten your credentials, use the Forgot Username or Password link to reset them. Once logged in, navigate to the Account Settings or Profile section. Look for the option labeled Account Verification or Update Account Information. Click on this option to proceed with the verification update. You may be prompted to enter your current account information, such as your account number and social security number. Fill in the required fields accurately to ensure smooth processing. Next, you may need to provide documentation for verification purposes. Common documents include a government-issued ID or a recent bank statement. Upload the necessary files according to the instructions provided on the screen. After submitting your documentation, review all the information for accuracy. Once everything looks good, click the Submit button to send your updates. You should receive a confirmation message indicating your request is being processed. Check your email for any additional instructions or confirmation from Synchrony Bank. If you do not receive confirmation within a few days, consider logging back in to check the status of your request. In case of any issues, contact Synchrony Bank customer service for assistance. Be prepared to verify your identity fast to ensure your request is secure. Remember to keep an eye on your email for further communication regarding your verification update. Once your account is successfully updated, you will have access to your fully verified account features. Following these steps will help you effectively update your Synchrony bank account verification. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.